Unlock your inner creative genius. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. Be a creative genius. This phrase inspires us to explore and unleash our creativity in ways we may never have imagined. So, if you're ready to unlock your creative potential, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we explore how to become a creative genius, let's first understand what creativity really means. Creativity is the ability to think outside the box, to see the world in new ways, and to come up with innovative solutions to problems. It's not just about art or music. Creativity can be applied in any field, from science to business, and beyond. To be a creative genius means to consistently produce work that is both novel, original and unexpected, and useful, solves a problem or addresses a need. It's about having a mindset that always looks for creative solutions and new ideas. But remember, being a creative genius isn't just about having innate talent. It's also about developing your skills, practicing regularly, and embracing a creative lifestyle. Now, how can you cultivate your inner creative genius? Here are some steps. 1. Curiosity. Always be curious about the world around you. Ask questions, explore, and seek to understand different perspectives. 2. Open-mindedness. Be open to new ideas and experiences. Sometimes, the most creative solutions come from the most unexpected places. 3. Persistence. Creativity often requires trial and error. Don't be afraid of failure. See it as a step towards your creative achievements. 4. Inspiration. Find what inspires you. Whether it's nature, art, music, or literature, inspiration can spark creative ideas. 5. Collaboration. Share your ideas with others and be open to their feedback. Collaboration can lead to amazing creative breakthroughs. Every creative journey faces challenges. Common obstacles include fear of failure, creative blocks, and criticism. Overcoming these challenges involves embracing failure as a learning opportunity, finding new sources of inspiration, and staying confident in your creative vision. Being a creative genius is within everyone's reach. It's about nurturing your creativity, practicing regularly, and not being afraid to take risks. Remember, creativity is a journey, not a destination. We hope this video inspires you to start that journey and explore the endless possibilities of your creativity. Keep creating, keep exploring, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.